Today I wanted to talk about a recent feature enhancement here in the Fabric portal, which is the ability to use Z-side service tokens to create connections to network edge devices. If you've seen my previous videos on service tokens, you're probably familiar with the concept already, but here's a quick high-level overview to get everyone caught up. A service token gives customers the ability to generate a redeemable token that they can give to business partners to connect to them on the Equinix platform. When the end user redeems a service token, it simply populates all of the destination info for the virtual connection being created. Previously, service tokens could only address a Fabric port as the destination for one of these connections, and the customers wanting to field incoming connections on network edge devices needed to create a service profile, which you can think of more like a static service token. With this release, customers can now create service tokens to point to a specific interface on their network edge device or a multi-point network, giving customers more choice and more flexibility. As service tokens do need to be created on an as-needed basis, customers seeking to establish a more static presence and field lots of incoming connections will likely still be better suited by a network edge service profile. Let's first take a look at creating a Z-side service token for a network edge device. After selecting Z-side service token, I'll select virtual device from asset type category, followed by the location and the network edge device of my choosing, based on what's available to me in my inventory. Optionally, I can disable or enable the ability to connect to this device out of Metro, and then I'm given the option to select the interface this connection will be provisioned on, or to have it select the next available interface for me. I'll choose GigEth4 and click Next. On this page, I can set the expiration date of the token, manage the speeds I'm making available to whoever redeems it, and then entering the email address of the recipient. I'll head to Review, and then click Create. Now, let's copy this service token and look at how to redeem it. We're back in the main Fabric portal, and now we're going to click on the Connections dropdown and select Create Virtual Connection. Here on the left, you'll see an icon to redeem a service token. I'll click Enter Service Token and paste the token I just copied from my clipboard, and then validate. Like we mentioned earlier, the token is going to go ahead and populate the destination details with the details we provided during creation. Let's click Redeem, and here we'll walk through and confirm our connection. As this is a Z-side service token, you'll see that the destination details are pre-populated on the right, and I'm asked to choose my origin point or A side on the left, which can include virtual devices, other service tokens, or in this case, a Fabric port. After selecting my port, assigning a name and a VLAN tag, and choosing my connection speed, I'll head to Review, and then submit my order. Now let's head to our connections inventory and take a look at the connection. And as you can see, it's only been a few seconds and we're up and in a provisioned state. Now let's take a look at creating a Z-side service token for a multi-point network. Once again, I'll head to Service Tokens, Create Service Token, and this time I'll select Multipoint Network. I'll choose my network from one of the available ones below, set the expiration and bandwidth details, and add an email recipient. All that's left to do is review and submit. Like before, I'll copy the service token to my clipboard, and then head to Create Connections. I'll scroll down and redeem my service token just like I did before, which will populate the Z-side details with the network we chose. Once again, I'll select a port for my A side, assign a name and a VLAN tag, and choose the speed I'd like, and then review and submit my order. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.